Going on, everyone? Rabid here, and some of you guys have been asking me to check out Pulsar staking. A few of you are having issues. So if it has anything to do with mining, I did do how to mine Pulsar video with a brief intro into the staking process, so be sure to check out that video beforehand. Now, Pulsar. Now, before we actually get into this, I do see that Pulsar released a new version of their wallet. So I'm going to go into this and actually download it. But there's a couple steps I'm going to take, and that involves backing up your current wallet just in case something goes wrong. So just like most Bitcoin-based type of fork coins here, they use the QT wallet. So Raptorium, among others, AVN, they're all the same process. They don't have seed phrases, but they got wallet DAT files. So you are going to have to copy those to a USB stick just so you have a backup for later. So wherever you did install it, just point towards that and then download all the data. You can go back one step and download, copy the whole data folder right here and put it into something like a USB flash drive, which I already currently did. Pulsar data, and I got everything copied here. So if I run into any issues or I got to, use my wallet DAT file to, show all my coins, I can upload this and paste it over top any current new wallet. Or if you have a fresh install later on, all your info and everything is right here. Step number 2 is clicking the link. Clicking links is always risky, guys, but here goes nothing. I did it. I smashed that link, guys. Just like you guys should be hitting that subscribe button. But yeah, scroll on down, find your Windows 10 setup. I already have this clicked in here and I'm about to unzip it myself. Pulsar, here's the zip file setup. I'm going to double click on that, wait for all this yada yada to go through, and then I'm going to extract it. So I'm going to scroll down to where I have all my other wallets like I always do. So I have everything in one place, click on wallets. Now I am going to create myself a new folder. It's going to do the default here. I'm going to put Pulsar. I'm going to make 2.0 just so I know it's kind of like a new one with AVN. I was on AVN Take 4000. If you're unfamiliar with that backstory, they went through some wallet issues and they had quite a few of them very, very fast. Anyway, we're looking at Pulsar 2.0. It should make this folder, and then I hit OK and we are extracted. So you can see Pulsar 2.0 is here. So I'm going to double click on that. I did add this. This folder is not here by default. I just added it. So wallet data, it's blank right now. So this is where I want to install it. So I'm going to double click on the setup here. Yes, we're going to engage you. We're going to hit next. We're going to find the destination folder, and that's where that wallet data or dealio is right there. So I'm going to just click on programs. I'm going to scroll down to my wallets. We're going to find Pulsar 2.0. There we go. And wallet data. Okay. Next. And install. It is now installing the new version of the wallet. Once it's complete, keep hitting next. Run Pulsar, not yet. Finish. Now we should have our Pulsar wallet inside here like so. So I believe it's going to ask me for another location here. So I do want to actually make another folder in Pulsar here. This may get a little bit confusing, but now I'm going to actually have our data folder for everything here. So it's all in one place. So now I'm going to go into Pulsar. And let's start this wallet and see what happens. Now I'm running 2 wallets at the same time. That's probably a bad idea. I just shut off the other one. Yes, I already got one running. Yes, close. I messed up, guys. Don't do that. I'm showing you what not to do when it comes to running Pulsar. Okay, we close it all down. Now let's start this again and see what happens. We're loading up our wallet. Loading block index. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, it just asked me to confirm something. Come back. Yes, we're going to allow access. We need it to work. And it looks like it's automatically all set. So it read all our previous data, so it knew everything already. Looking at our peers here, we have 0 active connections. Click to disable network activity. So you see it's gray. I'm going to click on it, and now it's X'd out here. So I'm going to click on it again to re-engage it. And now hopefully it may take some time. Give it a good 50 minutes or so to start getting some active connections. While I actually wait for the connections and stuff to start connecting to peers, I do have one now. But it says staking suspended due to locked wallet. Now, if it's the first time you're setting up a wallet, there's a couple things you do got to do before you can start staking. And number 1 is encrypt your wallet. My wallet is already encrypted, so I bypass that part here because it's grayed out. But pretty much that just asks you to encrypt your wallet. You put in a passphrase, which is a whole bunch of seed phrases of your own, or you can just set up, a lengthy password. So I have a password myself, and now it's all encrypted. And then you have to unlock your wallet, which is what I have to do now. So I'm going to unlock my wallet here, enter my lengthy password. Hopefully I don't mess it up. There we go. And now my wallet is unlocked. So now you are staking. I do have peers connected. Now it's back down to 0. So again, like I said, give it some time and this should kick in. I got 1 active user, 2 active users now. So we're slowly starting to connect. It does take some time sometimes. Again, if it's the very first time you are using this wallet, you are going to have to download the blockchain. Just like any other Raptorium type of QT wallet. You download the blockchain, you hit your receiving address, make yourself an address, and you're good to go. Begin mining to it or buy coins. But to understand the staking, it is a lot different than, traditional APY type of staking outfits here. So if we look up here, we can see the total network hash rate is 3.76 terahash. That's a lot. But the hash rate is 278.18 megahash. Currently sitting on Pulsar Coin. So what is the difference here? Unknown hash rate. This is that massive number here. And this is actually coming from the stakers here. It's a double blockchain, 50% proof of work and 50% proof of stake. So what's actually going on here is your wallet, depending on the amount of coins you actually have in it, is literally solo mining. Unlike an APY where you're getting paid out every couple days, weekly, monthly, or yearly, you're actually solo mining. So it doesn't really matter how much you have in here. You may or may not get that percentage. Your coins are like having extra GPUs or extra CPUs or however you do mine crypto on your own. This is like having extra hash rate. So the more coins you have through mining or buying, ultimately leads to higher chances of hitting them solo blocks. And like I said earlier, 90 Pulsar coins is a block reward. And I have hit currently 4 blocks. Now there are reports, someone in Discord messaged me the other day, they hit a block with only 117 coins. So obviously a lot of luck there, but it's doable. I didn't hit my first block till I was around 3,500 coins or so. So it varies. Again, very luck based, but the coins you have through mining or buying is actually how you're getting your staking rewards through solo mining on the proof of stake chain. So as for my active peers, it's slowly starting to pick up. I was just at 4, now I'm down to 2. So it looks like it's all over the place. But the fact is, it is connecting to active connections. So it's working. Now, if this is grayed out, that means you may have accidentally clicked on it. So again, make sure this is blue here. When you first install it, we've seen that it was grayed out. And maybe just click it off, click it back, and it may start working again. So just keep an eye on that. Make sure it's ready to roll. Make sure your wallet is encrypted, unlocked, and then as soon as you have even, I guess, 1 coin, you have the potential chance of hitting staking blocks. So that's all it is. Your wallet is literally solo mining on the proof of stake chain and chances of you potentially hitting a block and getting those block rewards. So it's a little bit different. It's kind of fun, interesting to watch, but you do have to keep this wallet open all the time in order to do this. As soon as you close it, you are no longer in theory mining or staking on Pulsar. So it must remain open at all times to keep this going. So I hope this video helps you out in any way at all, even if it's just for backup purposes, and maybe you learned out how to back up, Raptorium wallets, Zelcore wallets, all the same type of wallets are the same type of ways using that type of backup save file. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed some, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.